I'm in my fourth year. I'm a biology professor, fourth year teaching. Fourth year teaching biology here at Goshen. I'm an associate professor. I teach vertebrate physiology, anatomy and physiology, developmental biology, advanced molecular genetics, those kinds of classes. My research is in neurobiology. I'm a geneticist. And yeah, love being here. Thanks for coming.
My name's Jody Saylor. I'm in my 15th year here at the biology department, hard to believe. And I teach cell biology, microbiology, genetics. I also get to go on the marine biology course every spring, which is a delight. And just so glad to see all of you here.
I'm Andy Ammons. This is my 8th year here at Goshen. I teach organismal biology, entomology, zoology, pollinators in peril, empathic animals are some gen ed courses I teach. My specific research interests are in honeybee behavioral genetics, but really all aspects of insect life.
Hey, I'm Bill Minter. I've spent about 25 years with Goshen at Mary Lee Environmental Learning Center. About 16 of the past years I've been also affiliated with the Department of Biological Sciences in the context of environmental science. So my realm is application. I teach what I do and I do what I teach in terms of context of land resource management. And so my area that I spend time in is in forest resources, land resources management, and ecological restoration. So my interests are in oak ecology, invasive species ecology specifically, and have been working with a larger breeding project with American chestnut too.
Before I introduce some of the other faculty in our department, I'll tell you a little bit about what I teach. I'm an ecologist, so I, like Bill, spend most of my time in the field. I teach ecology and evolution entry-level class for all of our biology majors. I team teach a restoration ecology class with Bill. I do the theory and the lectures, and he does the fun stuff in the field. I teach a marine biology class and a field class in Kenya examining grassland ecology. So my training is in savannas and prairie maintenance. I want to highlight some guests who are here with us who closely interact with our department. John Zirkle, why don't you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm John Zirkle. I have been farm manager at Mary Lee with our Mary Lee Sustainable Farm, a new project, and direct the agroecology summer intensive in June or July. Worked with some of the faculty.
Dr. Stan Grove, you say a bit about yourself.
Yeah, I'm Stan. Came in 75, you counted, and I retired in 08, and I found out that the winters aren't what I like in Indiana, so I depart for the winters. But while I'm here, they let me come in and direct Algae Town. If you don't know what Algae Town is, you should take a look at the science building, what's sitting in front of it, and go inside and look at some more tanks that have algae in them. And that's going to be the agricultural crop of the future.
Larry Yoder, we're going to get to the guest of honor in a second. Is Larry Yoder here? I saw him briefly. Right here. Whoa! There you go.
Okay, I'm Larry Yoder. I've been with the Mary Lee Environmental Learning Center since 1981. Also support my colleagues here in occasionally teaching botany and also aspects of glacial geology here in northern Indiana.
And I think the 50th celebration that many of you are participating in has pulled out of the closet our wonderful professor from many years ago. So Dr. Jonathan Roth, would you like to say hello? They want you to give a speech, but maybe they'll have to happen on an individual basis after. So we're here essentially to honor the relationships that have developed in this department for many, many years. And so you coming helps us do that and helps us connect you with our current students and us with you, and it helps us continue to grow the program into what you all started out making it to be. So again, thank you for coming. All right, what we're going to shift into now is I'm going to give a brief overview of some things happening in our department, and then of course the goal of today is to talk about how 4 distinguished alumni from our department found their way in their career. We'll have a panel discussion about that and plenty of time for conversation. So what I did this morning is I pulled off our webpage the updates from this weekend, and I want to just draw your attention to a few things. If you look up in the upper right-hand corner, right in there, you'll see that yesterday we're honoring the alumni, some of which you'll meet again today, who presented as part of a forum to explore sustainable ag in a global context. To the left of that panel is Dr. Andy Yoder, who graduated in 2007. Down on the right, Doug Landis, who's an alum from our department, received an award. And just as of 2 days ago, our own Roger Beachy, who you'll be introduced to in a few minutes, received an award from the National Institute of Food and Agriculture, inducted into the Hall of Fame. So we should congratulate him.